It's very, very motivating to be in a company where you can really feel that you're making a difference. Vestas pioneered the business of wind energy over 40 years ago now, and today Vestas is a world leader in renewable energy. We have close to 80,000 turbines installed across the globe. We are growing with tremendous speed. We really need to optimize our processes by looking at three critical areas: security, speed, and scale. And Apple technology answers all 3 points. We have 24 factories around the globe. By deploying iPhone and iPad, we have improved efficiency, and each warehouse worker has been able to save up to 1 hour per week. And we have seen a rise in motivation because the technology is not in their way, it's helping them out. And then all the magic goes on site, where we erect these huge machines.
My job is to, let's say, plan and schedule everything. The crane is the biggest part for the financial costs on a project. The challenge is to keep the overview and everything under control. Now, with the Site Planner app, it makes things so easy.
Using the iPad, we believe that we can save a day of a crane hire per project. And with 300 projects or more each year, it turns out to be a savings of millions of dollars. We have 10,000 service technicians, and it's extremely important to us that users have frictionless access to the information they need. Working with Apple and SAP was important for us because we have a lot of our processes inside SAP, and we need to make that attractive and easy to use.
I use the One Field Service app for work orders, troubleshooting, and reporting the time and the tools. So I'm better and faster than before.
At first, I think we probably didn't believe it, but with iPhone, we could see some 400,000 hours saved globally each year. For sales and marketing, a lot of the questions customers have is how will the turbines look? We are piloting augmented reality on iPad, where we can simply just pull in the specific turbines and position them directly in the environment. That is, of course, a huge thing for building trust with our customers. The future holds a dramatic demand for renewable energy. With Apple technology, we can deliver a superior experience to our customers and our employees.